dear students. So in today's video, I'll be continuing with you all the remaining two stanzas of the poem Father to Son. Okay. So yar agaleke ami poem to okay Father to Son or ami ki palu that the father, okay, the poem written by Elizabeth Jennings, the poem which is in the form of the narration of the father, okay, a father who is lamenting about the generation gap, or you can say the gap in their relationship that has come up between himself and his son. Okay, খুব দুখ মনেৰে দেউতাকজনে পুতেকৰ লগত যিটো over the years পুতেকজন ডাঙৰ হোৱা পাছত যিটো এটা মানে ফাট মিলি গৈছে, এটা ওয়াইড হৈ গৈছে, সিহঁতৰ কি আগৰ ক্লোজনেছটো নাছিলে. In a very sad tone, the father laments about why such a case had happened. Okay, kyo hobole pale. So in our previous video, we had seen that how the father, he was, you can say, introspecting all the possibilities. Okay, মই তোমালোকক এটা example দিছিলো that what if you all are given a seed, গছৰ পুলি এটা দিলে তোমালোকে over 1 year, how you all will nourish it, okay, and the resultant of that nourishment of 1 year, it will be reflected on the judgment day. এবছৰ পিছত বস্তুটো ওলাব যে কোনে কিমান ভালকে পুলিটোত সাৰ জাবৰ দিছা, পানী দিছা, okay, ভালকে কেয়াৰ লৈছিলা. The growth of your plant will be indicative of that. Similarly, the souring of the relationship between the father and the son, okay, that souring of the relationship is as a result of many faults of the father in the past. Hote jodi lorajon deutaka osole duta moromor mat lobole ahisile ba okoman kiba ta morom deutaka pra pabo mane wa akhare ahisile, deutak jani ta kothai de te jam mite time to pisake ahibi ba kiba ta hi khub akhare deutakok kiba ta kobole jay ako deutak jani thik teneke ta kiba kibi kotle kothai dege. Maybe the father, he did not do it intentionally, okay, because all of us, one or the other, we have our own businesses to take care of. Amar jenike poha khuna koribol thake teneke dangor manublaকৰ নিজৰ নিজৰ area tera sakoriye hok, business ote hok, bele kiba affairs ote hok, they have to all keep their brain, their mind engrossed there. Okay, so in the pretext of all such outwardly tension and all such outwardly pressure, what happened? The father, he failed to take proper care that was required of his son. Okay, not only that, but he also failed to give the required amount of love which a boy at a tender age needs. Okay, so as a result of that seed of distancing, okay, that seed of generation gap, or you can say a kind of a rift, was implanted in the mind of the child, in the mind of the son, when he was quite young. Okay, at a very young age, the mindset of the child, or the mindset of the son, it got molded in such a way that he came to understand that my data asol tamne ebu kotha loi pele jodi jao moi data pra gali he kham, so better ki moi nazame data asol data je tu dure dure thoka pe mane bhal pai, to moi data pra dure dure thaku aru hetu uha folot ki hobo data aru mur majot he relationship tu bhal hoi thakibo as in hi data pra duta gali nakhe ba beake dukhar kotha nukune. Okay, so hetu bhabi ki hol, the child, he grew up. At a certain point of time, he no longer felt the need of his father. Why so? Because from a quite tender age, he was alienated from his father. He dur hoi goisile nijor deutakok pra. Okay, so in the first two stanzas, we come to see that how the father, he was lamenting, or he was in a very sad manner, he was probing what went wrong in the relationship, both him and his son. Okay, now coming to the third stanza, the father describes the kind of a relationship, okay, jitu hihotar major সম্পৰ্কটো কেনেকুৱা দেউতাকে third stanza পা বুজোৱা start কৰে. Silence surrounds us, I would have him prodigal, returning to his father's house, the home he knew. So what the father here is saying that how is their relationship? It is silent. Okay, it is cold. Mane hitor kora. No such warmth is there, no such newness or joy is there. Okay, the entire relationship that the father shared with his son was very cold. Khub thanda eta relationship isle. And why is it silence between the father and the son? Because they had nothing in common. They had no you can say understanding between them. They could not share any common likes or any common interests. So anything that surrounded their relationship, it was what? It was only coldness and silence. Etia silence of kotha je koise তোমালোকে let's say our next month pa August pa school khuli gol. Okay, you all are need to come to school in your proper new uniform, crisp and new uniform. Tomalok ahisa college like the new enthusiasm that how will your new school arcade be? Yes or no? So সেইবোৰ ইমান মনৰ মানে চিন্তা ভাৱনা ফ্ৰেণ্ডছবোৰ কেনেকুৱা হ'ব আমাৰ বা আমি পঢ়াখিনি আমি তাত কেনেকুৱা পাম কিমান আশাৰে আমি নতুন আমাৰ এটা মানে দিছ নিউ ফেজ অফ লাইফ উই আৰ সো ভেৰি ইগাৰ টু ষ্টাৰ্ট অ'কে But then what happens, unfortunately for some of you, কোনবা তোমালোকৰ মাজৰ এনেকুৱা হৈছে you know that a lot of your school friends have also taken admission. Okay, so more or less you will not be separated or you will not be distanced from your previous school group. Okay, so ketu bhabe tumalok mon ko aru besi bhal lagi ase je jahok ami notun friend pam logote purona logon khini থাকিব okay so hebur sob bhabi meli tumalok ahisa yat admission hola but then unfortunately for one of us what happens is that let's say more arts or A section of my name is there in art section A but then more school friend kunu hai okay more sob school of friends khini B ba C section of boy but then I am the lone representative of my school and all the other members all the other 50 students of us of my classroom are completely new to me okay so ma golu I'll be very much awkward right in the first day ma golu class of bohilu bohi pelai ki hobo mutu to ma kako sini na pao kakot mu kun soileni kun bohi ase ma dai eku sini na pao okay because everything is new to me now I'm very sad at that because I don't have my same group of friends in my section okay so what I do I try to build up a conversation with the girl next to me okay moi tai logot tumi kopra ahisa ghor ko tumar hostel ne tumi yare hoy okay so I try to strike up a kind of a conversation between her and me so what happens in this in the process our conversation moi je tai logot kotha patibole dhorisu tai to moi tai as a first day log paisu okay so hetu karone ki hobo our conversation will get limited to a certain bit okay আজি মই তাই তোমাৰ ঘৰ ক'ত তুমি ক'ত থাকা হেবু খুদিলো তাইও মোক একটা কথা বুঝলে বাস আমাৰ কিমানখিনলৈকে আজি দিনটো কথা সমাপ্ত ঠিক আছে কাইলে লগ পালো কাইলে আৰু দুটা কথা বেছিকে খুদিম তেনেকে what will happen as time will pass by our friendship will start in this way but then initially it was a very silent kind of a relationship okay it was a very silent start only why was it so because the girl next to me is a complete stranger okay etia ami jetia amar nijor friends khini major thako amar major bibhinno dhoroner kotha olaine na from space to your seas from your oceans to other planets okay mane ki bostu from films to books to everything ki kotha upor ami na pabo everything comes in between us ourselves and our good friends okay ama kiman khini kotha share koribo thake ba kotha patibo thake our relationship with the close ones are never silent okay it's full of warmth it's full of love kintu swa etia he deutak jone nije jonmo dia lora okay korore pura dangor kori ase even the father son also nijor deutak jon mane jonmo dia deutak jonor logo etia relation to kiniba it is completely silent why because there is nothing they can share between them moi jeneke koisu mo prothom dina kon log pa mo friend joni tai logot jehetu mo kotha pe eta notun swali joni aise I just cannot open up in front of her yes or no neither she can do that in front of me so we'll have to maintain our restraints on the first day gradually if 1 or 2 days passes, it is only then that will start opening up in front of one another. Okay, but then the same thing, the reverse is there in case of the relationship between the father and the son. Okay, দেউতাকৰ পুতেকৰ নিয়মতে কিমান কথা পাতিব থাকে, কিমান কথা শেয়াৰ কৰিব থাকে, কিমান গাইডেন্স পুতেকতে নিজৰ দেউতাকৰ পৰা পাবলগীয়া থাকে, but then a complete opposite picture is what is given in case of the relationship between this father and his son. Okay, so again Deotakjane said that silence surrounds us because we have nothing to talk. We have become so stranger, imani osinaki hoi poriso ami duitu logot that we have got nothing to share, we have got nothing to talk, and anything that is there between us is only silence. Next line, see, I would have a prodigal returning to his father's house, the home he knew. So in these lines, okay, the desperation of the father is coming out. Deotakjane ki said that I would have him prodigal. Now what does this word prodigal means? Okay, D-I-G-A-L, prodigal. A word to mane ki Deotake ko say that I would rather want my son to become this, to become a prodigal and return back to his home. Prodigal means someone who spends a lot. Okay, in short you can call him spendthrift. Okay, someone who spends a lot, obabot jone khub kharos kore, enekwa dhora tar osot 100 taka eta ase, tar কোনো ধৰণৰ ইনকাম নাই, but then he has got from somewhere 100 rupees, okay, for today. ৰাস্তাৰে দেখি গৈ থাকোঁতে তাৰ ধুনীয়া বোলে কিবা এটা সজোৱা বস্তু এটা ভাল লাগিলে 100 টকা দি পেলাই সি সেইটো কিনি ল'লে। তাৰ সেই বস্তুটো ইউজ হওক নহওক, ইট ডাজেণ্ট মেটাৰ ফৰ হিম, বাট দেন তাৰ ভাল লাগিলে সেইকাৰণে সি 100 টকা দি পেলাই কিনি ল'লে। কিন্তু সেই 100 টকাটো সি ছেভ কৰি পেলাই কাইলৈ কাৰণে যে তাৰ ভাত সাজ সি যোগাৰ কৰিব পাৰিব সেইটো তাৰ চিন্তা কৰিবলৈ নাই। Okay, one who spends very much. Okay, such a kind of a person is known as a prodigal. I have written the meaning. Spendthrift means someone who spends a lot of money unnecessarily. Okay, so what the father here is saying that I would rather want him to be spendthrift. Deotake koise je I don't care what my son is. Okay, maybe he is a prodigal son of mine. Okay, he লাগিলে মোৰ মাটি বাড়ি ধন সম্পত্তি যি আছে শেষ কৰি পেলাও খৰচ কৰি। Okay, but then I want my son to return back to that house, which house he can call that it is the place where he grew up. Okay, তাৰ মানে কি বুজাইছে চোৱা, that the father is least bothered about his son to become someone good. Okay, Deotakjane এতিয়া generally our parents keep a lot of expectations from us, yes or no, that I'll make my son an engineer, I'll make my son a scientist or a doctor or a professor or a civil servant. Okay, kiman kopun loi pele amar ma detai amar logot thake. Okay, কিন্তু এতিয়া সেই একে এজন দেউতাকে কি হৈছে যে নালাগে তই ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰো হ'ব নালাগে, তই ডক্টৰো হ'ব নালাগে, তই প্ৰফেছৰ হ'ব নালাগে, একো হ'ব নালাগে, I just want you to return back to me. I just want you that you come back to me as you come back to me in whatever form you are. I don't care whether you are a thief, whether you are a robber, whether you are a gangster, or whether you are a prodigal person, okay, or whether you are a prodigal son of mine. Je mor mane mati bari to kharos kori mene ek kori mene you make me a bankrupt, I don't care, but I only want the physical form of my son. I want my son whole and hearty to return back to his father. I want my son to return back to that house, okay, to that place where he grew up. Junkhon ghorot he nijor শৈশৱ কালটো কটালে, নিজৰ মানে চাইল্ডহুড পিৰিয়ডটো পাৰ কৰিলে, য'ত তাৰ দেউতাক আৰু সি একেলগে থাকিছিলে। I want my son to come back to that place. Rather he going out building up his own empire, তাৰ নিজৰ এখন বেলেগকে তাৰ এটা ঘৰ, বেলেগকে তাৰ নিজৰ এখন সংসাৰ বনোৱাতকে I want him to return back to me. Okay, মোৰ ওচৰলৈ যাতে সি আহক, মোৰ ওচৰত যাতে সি ধুনীয়াকৈ কথা পাতক বা আকৌ যাতে আমাৰ আগৰ ৰিলেশ্যনটো আকৌ বিল্ড আপ হৈ যায়, I want that to happen. I don't want my son to become someone very good or someone very famous. I don't care whatever he is, but my only intention is that my son should return back to me. Okay? Rather than see him make and move his world, I would forgive him too, shaping from sorrow a new love. So what the father is saying that I would never tolerate, or I can never tolerate my son going away from me and building his own empire. Tar nijor ekhon সংসাৰ মই যেনেকৈ কৈছোঁ, where he is the only master and no one else. I do not want that to happen. Okay, because I want my son to return back to me. Okay, I would forgive him. মই তাক মাফ কৰি দিম. সি যি কিবা আগৰ দিনত সি কিবা ভুল কৰিছে, সি কিবা এটা কাৰোবাৰ লগত বেয়া হৈ আছে, যিয়ে সি বেয়া কাম নকৰক, মই চব মাফ কৰি দিম. খালি এটাই কাম হ'ব লাগে, my son should return to me. My son should come back to me. Only that much I want from him. Shaping from sorrow a new love. And what will I do? What the father is saying that shaping from sorrow. Okay, from the sorrow that was there previously in our relationship. Okay, he je deutak puteke je deutak jonok mane deutak jonor pa atori ahise, deutak jonor logot ekmot hobo nware, there is a lack of understanding between them. Deutake jodi kiba ta koy puteke ulta kiba ta kobo. Okay, and all the anger and grief and the sorrows that was there in their relationship, what the father is pledging, he mane hopot khaise that I would give a new form of love to those sorrow. ইমান মই তাক মৰম দিম যে সেই আগৰ যিবোৰ আমাৰ মাজত বেয়া পোৱা হৈ আছিলে সেইখিনি মই তাক সব তাৰ পৰা মুছি পেলাম. I would give shape to a new kind of a love out of the previous past sorrow. Okay, so now coming to the last stanza. Father and son, we both must live on the same globe and the same land. He speaks, I cannot understand myself, why anger grows from grief. We each put out an empty hand longing for something to forgive. So what the father is saying, that it's a universal law that father and son, they both must live in the same globe, on the same planet, in the same house. Then how come, why should my son be an exception? পৃথিৱীৰ সব মানুহে বা পৃথিৱীৰ সব ল'ৰা ছোৱালী মাক বাপেকৰ লগতে থাকি পেলাই একেখন ঘৰতে থাকে, তেন্তে মোৰ ল'ৰাটো কিয় এক্সেপশ্যন হ'ব? Why should my son, মোৰ ল'ৰাটো কিয় মোৰ পৰা মানে আঁতৰি যাব? That is a universal law that both the father and the son, they should live together in the same house. Okay, so in no way there I can tell that my son should drift away from me, or my son should move away from me. So since it's a universal law, or everyone knows it very well, that father and son, they should live together. So it's my demand that my son too should come back to me. Okay, now see the third line of the fourth stanza. Okay, he speaks, I cannot understand myself, why anger grows from grief. Now the he that it is talking about here, it is the son. Okay, just one line we have of the son in the poem. The entire narration is by the poet himself, by the father himself. Don't get confused, it's not the poet. Okay, the narration is in the words of a father. Our poet, she is just penning down those lines, she has just written down those lines. Okay, but the gute jitu mane bartalapto jitu narration to jitu hoise, the entire thing, the narration, it is done by the father. Only in the third line of the fourth stanza we find the son speaking up. And what the son says, that he confesses that I cannot understand myself. With a very heavy heart, the son here is saying that moi nijoke bujhiye napao, I cannot understand myself. Kyo ki hetu koise? Why he is saying that he cannot understand himself? Because he is saying that I did not understand, moi bujhiye napalo, mor je tumar proti he eta je দুখ এটা আছিল যে মই সৰু থাকোঁতে তোমাৰ ওচৰলৈ কিবা এটা ক'বলৈ গ'লোঁ, দেউতাকক কৈছে সেইটো কথা, কিবা এটা ক'বলৈ গ'লোঁ, তুমি মোক এই যাম পিছত দেখাম, বা এতিয়া মোৰ ওচৰত টাইম লাগে, তই এতিয়া নাহিবি, সেইবুলি কৈ পেলাই যে তুমি মোক যে আঁতৰ কৰি ৰাখিলা অত বছৰে, সেই আঁতৰ কৰি ৰখাৰ ফলত মোৰ যে এটা মনত যে এটা দুখ ভাৱ এটা সোমাই গ'ল, সেই দুখ ভাৱটোৱে গৈ পেলাই when did it got turned in the form of my anger for you, I did not understand. মই ধৰিবকে নোৱাৰিলো যে মোৰ দুখবোৰ গৈ পেলাই কেতিয়া খঙলে পৰিণত হ'ব. Okay, that is what the son is saying. I did not understand when myself why anger grows from grief. That why did my anger grew from all the sorrow, all the grief? I did not understand at all. মই বুজিকে নাপালো. Okay, we each put out an empty hand, longing for something to forgive. So in the last two lines of the poem, there is a reconciliation both from the son and the father. That what did they do? Forgetting all the past misery, forgetting all the past, you can say, grief, sorrow and everything, both the father and the son, they each put out an empty hand. Meaning they extended their hand forward. And why this hand? It is saying an empty hand. Empty boli kya hoise sir? Because empty here, it is indicative of hand, or it is empty hand is indicative of a new start, okay, of a new beginning, which is bereft or which is devoid of all the past sorrow. আগতে যি সিহঁতৰ মাজত বেয়া হৈছিলে, খং ৰাগ বা দুখৰ কথা সিহঁতৰ মাজত যি হৈছিলে, সেইবোৰ সব বাদ দি পেলাই they are extending their hand forward towards a new beginning. A new beginning where everything is brand new. Okay, আগৰ past সিহঁতৰ যিখিনি সিহঁতৰ মাজত বেয়া পোৱা পোৱা আছিলে বা মিছআণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং আছিলে, তাৰ যাতে শ্বেডোটো সিহঁতৰ সেই নতুন ৰিলেশ্যনটোত নপৰে, so with that purpose in mind, they have just extended their hand forward, moving towards a new phase of their lives, longing for something to forgive. Okay, so what it is saying that we long for, we each put out an empty hand. Empty hand means a hand which is devoid of all the past sorrows. Okay, we each move forward, or we each extend out their hand towards a better future, longing for something to forgive. And we are extending, or we are into a new relationship where we wish that we can forgive, or we can forget everything bad that has happened between us. Okay, may not all the bad things cast its shadow now. Okay, may our future relationship, which the father and the son both had reconciled to form a new kind of a building up of a new kind of a relationship between them, may this new build up of the relationship be free from all the past sorrows and grief. So what did we find in the poem? That all throughout the father was in very sad spirits. Okay, he was lamenting, he was complaining that my son has become like that, he has drifted away from me, maybe the fault lied in me and everything. Okay, but then towards the later part of the poem, what did we find? That perhaps all the love of the father had managed to move the son. Okay, and they have both agreed to forget everything bad that was between them and extend out their hands for a positive change in future, so that they can forget themselves away from all the past sorrows. So that was all our poem is about. Just go through it properly once again. It's a very beautiful poem, and while going through the poem, just keep in mind the universal problem of generation gap. That is, you can say, a phenomenal problem in today's world. Okay, thank you.